Hi, my name is Julie and I'm a realtor with Alliance Team Realty. I wanted to just touch base with you today if you're thinking about selling, but you haven't taken the plunge because your house needs to be updated or you've got minor repairs that need to be done to it. I wanted to talk to you because I deal with folks like you all the time. I sit down with my sellers and that's the number one thing they say. My house doesn't look like Pottery Barn, so it's not going to appeal to today's buyer. Well, guess what? There are some quick and easy and really cost-effective updates you can do to your house to make it more appealing to today's buyers. Plus, little updates and little repairs that need to be done, you usually get your money back. And we know from lots and lots of years of data that repaired and updated houses sell for more money and more quickly than houses that are sold as is. One advantage that I bring, or a benefit that I bring to my sellers, is I work with contractors all the time that update and repair my sellers' houses. I've got electricians and plumbers and painters and handymen and flooring contractors. So I sit down with my seller, we go through what they want to update or what needs to be repaired, and then through my contractors we get everything taken care of. We get that house updated, we get it on the market, and we get it sold. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'd love the opportunity to speak with you. Again, my name is Julie. I'm with Alliance Team Realty. I'm here to help. I'm here to make this home selling process as easy and as stress-free as possible. So please reach out to me. I'd love the opportunity to meet with you, to see your house, and to list it and get it sold for you. Thanks for watching.